Hello students, I Anjali Patel welcome you to my class. Hope you all are well and you have read the first chapter of your history also. So students, today we will start the first chapter of geography, that is our environment. So let's continue with the chapter.
Continue with introduction. What is environment? Environment is everything that is around us, which can be living or non-living things. First, environment पर्यावरण. हम अक्सर पर्यावरण शब्द सुनते हैं. तो environment is everything that is around us. हमारे आसपास जितनी भी लिविंग नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स होती हैं वो सब मिलके क्या कहलाती हैं? एनवायरनमेंट. वो हमारे पर्यावरण के अंतर्गत आती हैं. So environment includes physical, chemical and other natural forces. Students, some important points that the word environment comes from the French word environner, which means neighborhood. Neighborhood कैसे हमारे पड़ोसी होते हैं. For example, when we are at home, we are surrounded by household items and our फैमिली मेम्बर्स. घर पे जब हम होते हैं तो अपने घर के सामानों और अपने परिवार के सदस्यों से घिरे हुए होते हैं या हमारे आसपास ये चीज़ें मौजूद होती हैं. तो हमारा घर का एनवायरनमेंट ये क्या कहलाता है? होम एनवायरनमेंट. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन एग्जांपल इज़ व्हेन वी आर इन प्ले ग्राउंड. तो जब हम खेल के मैदान में होते हैं तो हमने स्पोर्टिंग गियर्स और अपने फ्रेंड्स से घिरे हुए होते हैं, जो हमारा एनवायरनमेंट वहाँ का होता है. So we can say that both places have a different environment. Now, the next point, place, people, things and nature surrounding living organisms are affected by environment. Students, environment provide us with air, water, food, clothes, land, etc. The environment can have two components. The first one is natural component and the next one is human components, as you can see on your screen. So students, first we'll start that what is natural components. Natural components क्या होते हैं? The components that are formed by nature, जो वो components जो प्रकृति द्वारा बनाए गए होते हैं वो होते हैं natural components. And human components, the components that are made by humans, वो components जो इंसानों द्वारा बनाए गए होते हैं वो होते हैं human components. Okay, so now we'll first start with natural components. So students, natural components are divided into two parts, biotic and abiotic. So the first natural component, biotic component. So what a biotic component? The region where life exists, means living things, are biotic, and abiotic, region where no life exists, means non-living. So examples of biotic, as you can see in the diagram also, that like the plants, the animals come under the category of biotic components, and air, water and land are under the category of abiotic components. So students, biotic and abiotic, you can see in the figure that the zone where biotic and abiotic interact, the life comes in. जहाँ पे बायोटिक और abiotic एक दूसरे से इंटरैक्ट करते हैं उस जोन में लाइफ एग्जिस्ट करती है. ओके, सो now we will start with the next topic, that is domains of the environment. Students, the components of natural environment such as land, water, air, plant, animals and human beings are called the domains of our earth. तो हम इन्हीं को domains कहते हैं, plants, animals, human beings को. There are 4 domains in our environment. So there are 4 main domains, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं फिगर में. The first one domain of the earth is the lithosphere, the next one is hydrosphere, the third one is atmosphere, and the fourth one is biosphere. So the first one domain of the environment, that is the lithosphere. What is the lithosphere? The word lithosphere came from the Greek word litho, which means rocks. And students, it is the outermost layer of the earth. Outermost layer of the earth is called crust, on which we live. So the outermost layer where we are living is known as lithosphere. Students, this domain is made up of rocks, minerals and soil. It includes forest, grasslands, fertile land for farming and landforms like mountains and plains. And most of the new needs of humans are fulfilled by the lithosphere. Now our next one domain of the earth is the hydrosphere. Students, lithosphere means the land portion of the earth, the land area of the earth. Hydrosphere, the word hydro means water. Hydro means water. The hydrosphere comprises all water bodies and water sources found on the earth. It includes all the water sources found on the earth, जो कि 71% है of total earth surface on the earth. Sources of water on the earth are oceans, seas, bays, gulfs, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Water found in all states on the earth like solid, liquid, gaseous state. और हम सब जानते हैं कि पानी कितना ज़रूरी है हमारी ज़िंदगी के लिए. साथ ही में पानी और भी किस लिए यूज़ किया जाता है? टू जनरेट हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, मिनरल्स, फूड, एट्सेट्रा. Now the third one domain of the earth is the atmosphere. Now what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is जिसको हम कहते हैं वायुमंडल. So the mixture of gases that surrounds the earth, or we can define it as the blanket of air surrounding the earth, is known as atmosphere. About 99% of the total mass of air lies within 32 km from the earth's surface. Air is a mixture of gases, dust particles, the water vapor. The gases included nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, ozone, helium, hydrogen, etc. So students, the atmosphere of the earth keeps away harmful ultraviolet rays of sun from reaching us. तो हमें ये harmful UV rays से बचाती है, जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत ही नुकसानदेह है. क्या बचाती है? Atmosphere. Now the last one domain of the earth is the biosphere. Now what is the biosphere? Biosphere is defined as the area of the planet where organisms live, including the ground and the air. Or in simple language we can say the biosphere is found where lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere meet and interact with each other to support life. जहाँ पे lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere interact करते हैं, मिलते हैं लाइफ को सपोर्ट करने के लिए, उसे हम कहते हैं बायोस्फीयर. सो बायोस्फीयर include variety of organisms, food microbes, plants, bacteria, animals, etc. Living beings on earth come in all shapes and sizes. The living organisms is divided into two categories, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Plant kingdom जो कि आपको पहले भी पढ़ाया गया है, plant kingdom is known as flora and animal kingdom is known as fauna, the fauna. And the variety of life forms found here is called biodiversity. जितने तरह के भी ये लाइफ पाए जाते हैं अर्थ पे, ये क्या कहलाते हैं? बायोडाइवर्सिटी. So we will finish our class with this topic and we will continue in our next class the next topics. Now I will give some homework questions.
So students, I'll also give some homework questions to you today, and your homework questions are: what is the environment? What is the natural environment? Name all the domains of the earth. So read the chapter and complete your answers properly. We will discuss the answers in our next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.